Thank you very much, Mr. President. It's really a great honor and a pleasure to meet you, and I'm very happy to meet you after we met in Samarkand on the sidelines of ISRO. And once again, I'd like to congratulate you on your re-election, and I'm sure Russian Federation will further progress under your able leadership. Mr. President, I'm very happy to share with you that our bilateral relations have been having positive trajectory over the last many years, and this is a matter of great comfort for us. And I would like to work with you closely to further cement our relations. We have a whole lot to do, and we can benefit from your experience. We can certainly enhance our trade, which is at the moment touching $1 billion. And of course, on my request, you were very kind to promote cooperation in the field of energy, and we received shipment of oil from your great country, and I'm very grateful for that. But we really need to further move in this direction. Your Excellency, our relations stand on our own strength. Neither our relations are driven by any geopolitical contingency, nor these are impacted by our relation with other countries. And Pakistan has a very long business relation with your great country. If you remember, I mentioned to you last time that during 50s, 60s and 70s, we had bilateral trade under barter. We used to import a lot of machinery and goods from erstwhile Soviet Russia, and we used to export textile, leather goods to your country, and it was under barter. I think today is the time we can overcome financial and other banking issues by renewing our trade and expanding our trade under barter. That will be very beneficial to Pakistan, and we will be able to overcome lots of many other problems. Mr. President, once again, I'd like to thank you for this opportunity, and would like to assure you on my behalf and on behalf of the people of Pakistan that we really want to further strengthen our relations.